Hey, tech enthusiasts and drone lovers, welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology as we unveil the best DJI drones of 2024. If you're looking to elevate your aerial photography and videography game, you're in for a treat. So without further ado, let's soar into the skies. Number 5. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV is a fascinating new type of drone. FPV, or first-person view, drones are quick, exciting, and provide the most immersive flying experience conceivable, thanks to the incorporation of video goggles that provide a bird's-eye view from above. Traditionally, custom or self-built drones have been difficult to fly. The DJI FPV allows anyone with a reasonable amount of pocket money to enter the thrilling world of FPV drones. This makes it an excellent choice for first-time FPV drone pilots. It is a lot of fun to fly, but how long will the novelty last? Is it as engaging as other drones, such as the DJI Mavic series? The DJI FPV drone is designed for immersive FPV 4K video with basic still image capabilities. However, it should not be purchased just for this purpose. The benefit of capturing video with an FPV drone is that you may get an incredible first-person view that almost makes the viewer feel like they're flying. The DJI FPV can shoot 4K video at 60 fps and 1080 at 120 fps, both of which look amazing. Even with lens correction switched on, the camera captures the front propellers in both video and still images. Another disadvantage is that the battery only lasts around 10 minutes in real-world circumstances, so you need to shoot quickly. The DJI FPV is all about fun. Its first-person view gives a highly immersive flying experience owing to the fantastic DJI goggles, and the forward-facing camera captures equally captivating video footage. However, it is not all easy sailing. With a real-world flight time of roughly 10 minutes, a high cost when you factor in necessary equipment, and the difficulties of performing proper FPV acrobatics, it's substantially more complex and niche than DJI's other drones. In recent years, DJI has focused on its Mavic drone range, which all have a similar folding form. The DJI FPV is unique in that, despite its small size, the motor arms are fixed and the upright body gives it the appearance of being much larger than it actually is. The quadcopter body, without motor arms, is similar in size to the DJI Mavic Air 2. With a takeoff weight of 795 grams, the DJI FPV is only slightly lighter than the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a considerable increase over the already competent 2021 Air 2S, with twin cameras and improved wind resistance. With a takeoff weight of 720 grams, the Air 3 falls under Europe's C1 category, which means it faces more limitations than the sub-250 grams drones on this list. However, there are other perks to carrying extra baggage, including a substantial 46-minute flight duration. In testing, we discovered class-leading image quality, as we have come to expect from DJI. Fixed apertures aren't ideal for ND filter users, but we discovered that the 3x zoom lens allows you to operate at a safe and legal distance from objects, which is very handy when filming wildlife. The DJI Air 3 is a large drone, so many beginners will find the Mini 3 more manageable. That being said, we believe beginners will have no trouble piloting the Air 3, given to its simple UI and useful safety features. It makes a lot of sense to sit in between the less expensive Mini 3 Pro and the very competent Mavic 3 Pro. The Air 3 is a significant upgrade over the Air 2S, and its price makes it an excellent all-around option for anyone flying the Mini 3 Pro but wanting better wind resistance, as well as a 3x zoom and features like waypoint flight. However, if you're in Europe, keep in mind that it falls into the C1 category, which means less freedom and more restrictions than sub-250 grams drones like the DJI Minis. The image quality is world-class for a drone, which is not surprising given DJI's reputation. The additional antennas on the new DJI RC2 remote have significantly increased range, particularly in signal-challenging conditions. The Air 3 has a 4,241 mAh battery, which accounts for one-third of the drone's weight, 267 grams. It takes 60 minutes to charge and has 46 minutes of flight duration, 48% more than its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S. During my testing, that statistic proved to be fairly true, as long as you cruise gently on a windless day. A more sporty flight or a windy day will increase battery usage, resulting in shorter flights. Longer battery life opens up new uses, but it's unclear who need greater flight time. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's new flagship is the first consumer drone to feature 3 cameras. This is 2 more than many pilots require. However, if you're an aerial photographer or videographer looking for the most adaptable drone on the market, our testing suggests that the Mavic 3 Pro is the best option. In our assessment, we discovered that the main 24mm 4/3 camera, which is also used by the Mavic 3 Classic, produced the best image quality. It also has the most changeable apertures, formats, and frame rates. That being said, both telephoto cameras create beautiful shots, and the ability to zoom in 3x and 7x is really handy in a variety of settings. Despite being a professional drone, the Mavic 3 Pro is surprisingly easy to operate, thanks to strong safety measures that make it accessible to all users. However, its professional-grade video modes, as well as its high price, make it unsuitable for amateurs. Its weight also qualifies it for the limited C2 European drone category. The Mavic 3 Pro is a high-quality, portable, and affordable alternative to the Inspire 3 drone. It includes 2 telephoto lenses. The Mavic 3 Pro is the world's first triple-camera consumer/prosumer drone, and it comfortably holds the top spot in the Mavic 3 family of drones. With a great 20MP 4/3 primary camera and 70mm and 166mm telephoto sensors, this is the most flexible Mavic drone ever. Overall image quality is excellent. However, because it weighs more than 31.74 ounces/900 grams, the Mavic 3 Pro is classified as a C2 European drone, which limits its capabilities compared to models weighing less. The first thing you notice with the Mavic 3 Pro is the size of the camera and gimbal, which are naturally larger than those on the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic models because they house 3 cameras. In terms of form, there's no mistake its Mavic heritage thanks to exceptional build quality and a folding design that takes the drone from 9.10 3.85 x 3.75 inches / 231.1 x 95.4 millimeters when folded to 13.68 x 11.44 x. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. If you don't need collision avoidance, the Mini 3 is the best cheap drone available. It is smaller, lighter, and less expensive than the Mini 3 Pro, yet provides the same image quality. This drone is capable of recording high-quality JPEG and RAW stills, as well as 4K video at up to 30 fps, assuming you can handle obstacles in flight without automatic aid. Fortunately, the 12MP sensor can rotate to shoot in portrait mode. The absence of log profiles limits its attractiveness to professionals, while the lack of subject monitoring is another drawback from the Pro Edition. However, the Mini 3 still includes quick shots, which enable beginners to create cinematic video utilizing automatic flying patterns. We found it simple to pilot using the optional controller, which includes downward vision sensors and GPS for hovering. Stepping up to the Mavic 3 Classic would result in higher image quality and increased stability in windy circumstances, but with real-world flying lengths of 25 minutes, the Mini 3 meets all of the requirements for budget consumers. The DJI Mini 3 is an appealing option for enthusiastic drone pilots prepared to forego the obvious safety benefits of collision avoidance in favor of a more cheap model. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro improves on the Mini 3 Pro's features to set a new standard for sub-250 grams drone performance. The Mini 4 Pro is the closest mini-series drone to the DJI Mavic 3 models and the DJI Air 3 in terms of flight and safety features, as well as some camera functionality. However, it is more of an incremental upgrade over the Mini 3 Pro, as it looks remarkably similar, performs almost identically in flight, and uses the same impressive 1/1 3-inch sensor. Current Mini 3 Pro owners may feel frustrated, as many of the camera advancements could have been supplied via firmware updates. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best DJI drones of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.